This is sector N. On both sides of the road there is sector N, and after N there is M. On my left side there is also sector N. It's a residential area and commercial area on the double road, main highway, which is going to Simli Dam, up to Simli Dam. Bحریہ انکلیو اسلام آباد, it's your future. Invest in Pakistan, invest in Bحریہ انکلیو, and give this information to your friends and families so they can also take interest and come here. 1, 2, 3 families can come here at a time, and they can just make it a joint venture for yourself. Live in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. No, inshallah, Pakistan will rise. There are changes coming. So when there are changes for the good, when the intention is good, then we get the good results. So the intentions are good. You see this, and the people of Pakistan just making progress in every area. Although now the situation is not good, but future is inshallah bright. $100 million Pakistanis are abroad, and another 100 million will go from here. So, and they will live there, but they will also, their first home is Pakistan. That will be their second home. They also work there as the nationals, and here in Pakistan, as in Saudi Arabia, there are millions of Pakistanis that live in Saudi Arabia, Gulf, America, Canada, Europe, and they're working very hard in those countries. Pakistanis are hard working, well behaved. Only few percentages those who are fools. Rest 99.99% Pakistanis are good in their nature. Live in peace, live in Bحریہ Enclave, live in Pakistan. Invest in Pakistan, invest in Bحریہ Enclave. It's time for investment.